A gallon a day burns the fat away. I don't know, something like that. I just made that up. Gallon of water, one, cleans toxins out your body, keeps you hydrated past the point of the typical 64 ounces. I recommend a minimum of 96 ounces. But if you're trying to lose weight, I say do a gallon of water a day. You want to do spring water. If you are working out and you're doing fasting for a certain amount of time, I would go with alkaline water. A gallon of water a day helps keep you full, keeps you hydrated. And if you throw a little bit of pink Himalayan salt in there, you get a little electrolytes, help you eat less, help better digestion when you're eating. That's why they say every time you eat, have a glass of water behind it, all right? Usually between swallows, pause. Yeah, there's a lot of other benefits too. We'll go in there, you want some more tips? Follow me below and let's eat. Elevate, Cellular Transform. And remember, do it fasted. Get your water in.